Thanks. All right, so there's the startup. Get the date on it. There's the downstairs unit. Actually, I have the logo for it right here. See what that looks like when we put it on there. There you go. Yeah, this is a 2005 5-ton Millennium scroll compressor. This one has a Bristol. That's my cousin. So I'll get the date on it. Set up the tripod here. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor, benchmark Bristol. Makes some pretty funky refrigerant noises. And you can see the reversing valve. So we're gonna go shut it down.
Shut it down.
Say hi.
Oh shit. Where's your back? Come back.
Alright. Corey.
Hey. I'm on YouTube.
Alright, let's go shut it down.
Alright. And he's off to the distance of abyss. Alright. I got you, boy. If you look closely, the fans are slowing down, turning off. They are kind of rusted around the sides, but that is fine. Now, I don't know how to use this, but I'm pretty sure it's just a tripod. It is off fully. It's making no more sounds. Well, very slow sound. And look deep down.
Good, it shut down.
He is back.
Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, let's get a shot of the compressor. If my camera will. You can hear the refrigerant going through it. Benchmark Bristol. Suction accumulator, reversing valve, filter dryer. It's got an internal filter dryer. I can't get it with the tripod, but my cousin went out. All right. Yeah. Over and out.